Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Headphone Palace. We are Headphone Palace team, and today we are super excited to bring you an unboxing video of the TOZO T21 and diving into the world of wireless earbuds. I can't wait to share my first impressions with you. So sit back, relax and dive into this unboxing together. Before unboxing, we want to announce that you can also visit our webpage headphonepalace.com for the latest headphones news. Also, you can read the headphones feature and learn how to fix headphones. In this video, you can expect a detailed unboxing of the TOZO T21, where I will walk you through the packaging, contents and initial impressions. I will provide close-up shots, share my thoughts on its design and features, and even conduct some initial testing to give you a comprehensive overview. So, if you are curious to see what is inside the box, you are in the right place. Let's get started. First off, let's take a look at the packaging. The TOZO T21 comes in this sleek and compact box. It's a white box. The boxes like NC7 and T10, which I have unboxed before. It's square. The box measures 3.5 inches in height and weight is 101 gram. Now let's proceed to remove the outer cover to reveal the inner box. As I slide off the sleeve, you will see the box without the poly wrapping. If you want to check the product authenticity, scrape the barcode and check. Okay, let's open the box. It slides out like a matchbox. Just look at these beauties. Before we dive into the features, let's see what else is inside the box. Now we will show you only black color in this unboxing time, but it comes in 4 colors: black, blue, green and red. Earbuds, charging, earbuds and charging case, charging cable, user manual, quick guide. As I open the box, the first thing that catches my eye is the charging case. Look, it's a digital, it's matte finish. USB Type C port. It's around 6 inch. Five inch. It's 46 gram. Look, it's digital display. It's power display for earbuds and case. Look here, left earbuds, right earbuds. It's left, it's right, and it's the charging case. Look, the wireless charging case sensor is in the below. It's compact, so you can easily toss it in your bag and pocket when on the go. This is a standard USB cable, charging cable, allows for convenient charging from a variety of power sources such as a laptop, wall adapter or power bank, but it's not mandatory because generally we have enough cable in our house to charge. So here is the type A, it's type C. It's 8 gram, 8.78 gram, almost 9 gram. The length is 8.5 inch. So it's a simple cable, nothing special. The star of the show, the T21 itself, is the main attraction. The earbuds are 7.91 gram. and the right is 3.92 gram, left is 3.96 gram. Look, here is the glossy finish, and here is the touch panel area. You can control it by touching it here. Playing the song, passing the song, next song, previous song, answering the call, rejecting a call, hang up a phone call, volume up down, and even starting voice assistant also if you want take a screenshot from our screen. Now we will dive the birds into the water for testing. Let's see. Since it has IPX8 rating, so we can dive the birds beyond 1 meter deep. Wait and see. Look the notification light. Look. Okay. Look, still the notification light is blinking. It is really beautiful. Look, it's user manual and it's quick guide. For those who like to dive into the details, TOZO has included a user manual. This comprehensive guide, previous instruction on how to set up and use the T21 as well as troubleshooting tips. Look, it's the 18th month's warranty. I scan the QR code to active the warranty. Here is the T21 frequencies. I mean the full specifications. Model, impedance 32, frequency is 28Z to 20,000 AZ, charging port type C or wireless charging, earphone battery capacity 48 mAh into 2, charging box battery capacity 500 mAh, charging time of earphone 1.5 hours, charging time of charging box 2 hours. Here is the process how to Bluetooth pairing. Here is the task panel operation guide. Here is the reset process. I think it's helpful. Okay, so there have it works, everything that comes in the box with the TOZO Tonal Fits T21 wireless earbuds. Overall, I am impressed with the presentation and quality of the packaging. Now I will pair it with an Android device. Actually, the pairing process is straightforward. Simply remove the earbuds from the charging case, enable Bluetooth on your device, and select TOZO T21 from the list of available devices. Once paired, the earbuds will automatically connect to your device. For your concern, I want to say that TOZO T21 also supports TOZO app. Yes, supports the TOZO app. Android and iOS versions are available. You can change a bunch of different EQ settings. You can also upgrade firmware, also change the task control and other settings. Let's discuss some important features of TOZO T21. Yes, it's tonal fit. Look the beauties. It's tonal fit. It's that means it's a semi in-ear fit. Generally, a user can wear earbuds a long time for the tonal fit shape. Another impressive feature is its dual mic call DNS. These features works intelligently. One microphone captures the user's voice and another decreases the outside noises. It's interesting. Battery life in this part, T21 will run 10 hours on a single charge and 44 hours with the charging case. T21 supports wireless charging also, and the driver size is 14.2 mm dynamic drivers. The 14.2 mm driver is exceptional and it will provide a surround effect and a stronger sense of immersion when listening to music or playing games. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. You can also follow me on social media for updates and behind the scenes content. Until next time, take care and happy listening. I will see you in the next one.